Europe is one of the best places in the world to explore on foot. Walking here is not just about the scenery, though scenery is often spectacular. It is about slowing down and experiencing the layers of history, culture, food, and landscape that make each region so memorable. On a great European walking holiday, your day might start in a mountain village, continue through vineyards, forests, or high alpine passes, and end with a local meal in a place that feels completely different from where you began. That is what makes walking in Europe so special.
We had no idea how to start it and what to do until we found 10 Adventures. And oh boy, we are so happy we found them.
They planned everything for our trip, from the hotels to ground transportation, meals, and even luggage transfers. Everything went smoothly.
We were so happy with their service. All we had to do was walk, admire the scenery, and bond. A great mother and daughter trip.
The continent is incredibly varied, yet wonderfully connected by historic trails, pilgrimage routes, mountain paths, and village-to-village journeys. Whether you want dramatic peaks, quiet countryside, coastal paths, medieval towns, or a deeper sense of purpose, Europe offers walks that are as rich emotionally as they are visually. At 10 Adventures, we've come up with a free ebook that shares our 10 favorite walks in Europe. These walks include the Camino de Santiago, which is perhaps the most famous walking route in all of Europe, and for good reason. More than just a trail, the Camino is a journey of reflection, connection, and discovery. As you walk through northern Spain towards Santiago de Compostela, you pass through villages, vineyards, rolling countryside, and historic towns, sharing the route with travelers from around the world. It is a walk that stays with people long after they reach the cathedral.
Hi, I'm Bryn Thompson from England, and I've just completed the Camino de Santiago with 10 Adventures. It's been superbly organised by 10 Adventures all the way. So thanks, Nadine, you've been great. I can't recommend 10 Adventures highly enough. Thank you.
The Tour du Mont Blanc is one of the great mountain walks of the world. Circling Western Europe's highest peak, this unforgettable route passes through France, Italy, and Switzerland, combining high alpine passes, glacier views, flower-filled meadows, and charming mountain villages. It is challenging, beautiful, and deeply rewarding. The kind of walk where every day feels big, dramatic, and completely different from the last.
My husband and I took a trip through 10 Adventures with another couple to do the Tour du Mont Blanc. It was mind-blowing. It was so incredible. The app that they gave us was wonderful. The book was super helpful. The accommodations that they booked for us were amazing, better than we would have picked on our own. We also pushed ourselves to the limit on this trip, which just made us feel such a sense of accomplishment. I highly recommend and have recommended to friends 10 Adventures, and I hope to be taking another trip with them soon.
The Via Francigena is a historic pilgrimage route that offers a slower, more intimate way to experience Italy. Walking through Tuscany and beyond, you pass hilltop towns, vineyards, cypress-lined roads, quiet churches, and landscapes that seem made for wandering. It is a wonderful choice for travelers who want history, food, culture, and gentle beauty, all wrapped into a journey with a real sense of purpose. Germany's Malerweg, or Painter's Way, is one of Europe's most surprising walks. Set near Dresden, the trail winds through sandstone cliffs, forests, viewpoints, and dramatic rock formations that inspired generations of artists. It feels almost fairy tale-like in places, with narrow paths, stone towers, and sweeping views over the Elbe River Valley. For walkers who want something different, the Malerweg is a hidden gem. England's Cotswold Way captures the charm of rural England at its best. This gentle but rewarding walk links honeystone villages, rolling hills, historic churches, country pubs, and classic English landscapes. It's not about rushing. It is about enjoying the rhythm of the countryside, stopping for tea, exploring quiet lanes, and ending each day somewhere warm and welcoming. The Cotswold Way is a perfect walk for culture, comfort, and charm. Iceland's Laugaveggur Trail is wild, remote, and unlike almost anywhere else in Europe. Over just a few days, the landscape changes constantly. Colorful mountains, steaming geothermal valleys, black lava fields, glaciers, rivers, and wide open volcanic scenery. This is a short trek with a huge sense of adventure, ideal for walkers who want raw nature, big skies, and the feeling of being somewhere truly otherworldly.
This was a dream trip for us, and Nadine at 10 Adventures planned it out to perfection. There was literally no stress on our end. We just needed to show up ready for adventure. 10 Adventures definitely made this dream come true for us.
The Alp Adria Trail is a remarkable journey from the Alps towards the Adriatic, passing through Austria, Slovenia, and Italy. It combines mountain scenery, lakes, rivers, forests, and charming villages with a softer, more relaxed feel than some of Europe's tougher alpine treks. This is a walk full of variety, where each region brings new food, culture, and landscapes, all connected by a beautifully designed long-distance trail.
Hi, my name is Shahrir. We love taking treks, my wife and I. The last few have been organized by 10 Adventures, and Nadine and Richard have been outstanding in the way they have met our specific requirements, in the flexibility they've shown, and the areas that they have picked for us to travel. So we plan to continue to work closely with 10 Adventures on our trips. Highly recommend working with Richard and Nadine.
The Le Puy Camino is one of the most beautiful and rewarding approaches to Santiago. Beginning in central France, the Le Puy Camino crosses volcanic highlands, deep river valleys, medieval villages, quiet farms, and peaceful countryside before eventually linking with the Spanish Camino in Saint-Jean-Pied-de-Port. It has a wonderful mix of solitude, tradition, and hospitality, making it ideal for walkers who want the spirit of the Camino with a more rural French character. Italy's Alta Via routes showcase the Dolomites at their most spectacular. These are walks of soaring limestone towers, high mountain huts, alpine meadows, and unforgettable ridgelines. Each day brings dramatic views, but also the warmth of Italian mountain culture, hearty food, welcoming refugios, and a deep sense of place. For walkers who love mountains, the Alta Via is one of Europe's truly iconic adventures. Scotland's West Highland Way is a classic long-distance walk through some of Britain's most powerful landscapes. Starting near Glasgow and finishing in Fort William at the base of Ben Nevis, the route travels through lochs, moors, glens, forests, and mountain scenery, including the wild beauty of Glencoe. This walk is rugged without being overly remote, historic without feeling staged, and full of that unmistakable Scottish atmosphere. Big skies, changing weather, and unforgettable views. Together, these 10 walks show just how rich and varied Europe can be on foot. From pilgrimages and alpine circuits to volcanic trails, coastal paths, historic villages, and wild highlands. Each journey offers a different way to connect with a place. That is the joy of walking in Europe. You don't need to just visit a destination. You move through it, one step at a time.